So on today's agenda, we are updating the James B. Griffin Law website. I use my Trello board to manage the requests and the workflow on this. Um, so the doing column, we have a note that items sometimes show up on the desktop computer, but not always. So that appears to be a caching issue. I'm going to put that in stuck for right now because I am working on a solution, but it requires some investigation of the back end. So this next item is to replace a photo on the website, and the photos attached should replace the third photo from the top on the home page, um, to replace the wider and taller photo. So if we look at the home page, what we're talking about is this picture. It's wider than what was supplied. So we're going to edit this page. Meanwhile, we'll grab the photo and save that. Put it in my clients folder so I know where it's at. Got it there. Come down here and replace that photo. We'll want to upload it. There it is. There. So now it's closer in. We wanted it less tall. Nope, not that less tall. Large image and change height to 800. It actually looks like that's we're not going to get any different than that. So we'll publish the page. We'll view the page. Oops. It's good. Now, from a workflow perspective, it's ready for client review. So I'll drop it over there. And that will add my client to the card via automation, and notify him that it's ready for his review. So we want to look at the next request. If you click on the menu tab Services, you can see a page called Estate Planning and Trust, which is simply one of the practice areas. Substitute the caption with primary practice areas. So we'll go to services. And we'll edit this. Confirm I'm reading that correctly. Yes. So this becomes this. We'll publish it. And we'll go back and send that for client review. Yeah. And now it will notify my client that this is ready. Both of these changes are ready for their review. So this is how I work my clients' requests. They come to the Trello board. They put their requests into the to-do column. Um, they're free to arrange them in any order as long as they're in that to-do column. And I simply come back and pull the top item into the doing tab when I'm working on them. When I'm done, I send it to client review so they can then look at it, confirm it works, and to accept their work, they move it to the done column, and then we're all set. So if you'd like to get set up with your own on-demand web management and web requests system, take a look at my site at obsidianriver.com/web to go, and I'll be happy to help get you into the process.